Hello, how you doing? So look, really simple this today. We're going to do some zucchini or courgettes or kusa, whatever you call that, in a tomato sauce, garlic, cumin, oregano and some chickpeas. It's wonderfully simple. It really is tasty. It takes no time at all. Have it with bread, pasta, rice, up to you. Healthy, vegetarian, and it's vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what we have here is about 4 cups of zucchini, courgette or kusa, whatever you call them. I've cut them into these kind of small sticks. You can cut them into rounds if you want. 1 can, 400 ml of tomatoes. That was a whole one, and what I've done is just crushed it up with my hand. There's a can there of chickpeas. Now, if you're going to use from a can like me, give them a nice wash in some cold water. So that's about 2 cups in total. 1 cup of onion. Optional, I've got some chili here. Now that chili is not mega hot, but it's lovely, lovely flavor. A tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper, and then 2 teaspoons each oregano and cumin. We're going to start this off with some olive oil. We'll have it done in no time. It's delicious and simple. So I've got here 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I mean, you can use a different oil if you want. We're on and above medium heat. I've just put that on. We're going to drop in the onion and the garlic. Tablespoon or so of garlic there, roughly chopped. Cut it smaller if you want. We're going to go for around 3 to 4 minutes. So we've just got the onions and garlic on the go. Next up, we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon each of salt and pepper, I'm going to add that optional chili in there now, and our zucchini. I'm going to go again for about another 3 or 4 minutes. I'll be stirring it pretty much all of the time. Beautiful. Really simply now, let's get in the chickpeas. One can of tomatoes. And then I'm going to add some water. You could use water or stock. There's just about 1 cup of water there. We're going to turn the heat down now. Not a simmer, but above a simmer. And we're going to let this go for about 7 or so minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Job done. It's beautiful. Off goes the heat. Look at that. That's really beautiful. Check the level of salt and pepper to suit yourself. Got some parsley here, a flat leafed type. Just going to get that in there. Maybe some dill would be nice if you had that, or even fresh mint. But that is so easy and so beautiful. Let me get that on a plate for you. Okay, and there you go. Just really simple and nice and clean. That's really delicious. You can have that with some rice, with some bread, by itself even. Anyway, I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe and you keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.